Hey, we're here today at eimports4Less talking about a recent addition to our inventory. This here's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA250. It's an AMG Sport model, black colored vehicle with black interior, and currently has 34,000 miles on it. A couple of features of this one: 4MATIC all-wheel drive, panoramic view sunroof, collision prevention and attention assist, and Harmon and Kardon audio. If you're looking for all the details about this vehicle or any of our vehicles available for sale, they can be seen anytime at eimports.com. And we can take questions here at the store, 215-249-9100. Take a quick look at the interior. It is mainly black throughout. There is cream colored contrast stitching. This vehicle is equipped with the navigation and backup, large display for that. And again, all the details anytime at eimports.com. And questions can be taken here at the store, 215-249-9100. Thanks again.